Okay, how is it going, y'all? Today is now technically January 1st of 25. This is the experiment that I'm doing for recording Leetcode problems, mostly for myself, but who knows. Um I don't know if it's going to let me do this, but I think I am going to yeah. I'm going to first warm up with a type racer, and I'm just going to practice. Okay. Now, I'm not going to do this. Anyway, so let's go ahead and check out the daily. Okay, so count vowel strings in ranges. You are given a 0-indexed array of strings, words. Okay, and a 2D array of integer queries. Okay. Each query queries I has a left and right, looks like. Asks us to 1 second. Okay. Asks us to find the number of strings present in the range left to right, both inclusive of words that start and end with a vowel. Return an array of ands of queries.length, where ands I is the answer to the ith query. Okay. Note the vowels are those. All right. So 0 to 2, it says it has to start with a vowel. Oh, start and end with a vowel. So if we're doing 0 to 2, this would be 1. One to 4. I don't think anything's 1 to 4. Maybe I'm not understanding this. So we have ABA. Oh, wait, hold on. Is it talking about like 0 2 is 0 2 for here? Which means 1 to 4 is here. To answer query 0 2 is 2. So we're basically just saying that each one of these, we're just checking to see if each one of these, and this is the count of this. I feel like if this is the case, couldn't we do a prefix sum? Right? So if we have something akin to, okay, so ABA is 1, BCB is not, ECE is 1, AA is 1, and E is 1, right? And if we do a prefix sum of which ones are which, we would go, so the first one is 1. We're going to say it's still 1. Then ECE is 1 and 4. Yeah. So it'd be a prefix sum would be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And then if we have, say, the range of 1 to 4, we're looking at these 4 values. But we also want to subtract the previous one from the values. So we'd say 4 minus 3, or 4, yeah, 4 minus 1 would be 3. 4, yeah, so we'd check, I don't know if we would check this one minus this one. Let's see. Let's change this, if this was, I don't know, ACA, right? That would be 1. This would then become this. If we then wanted 1 to 4, it would be this, or 5 minus the previous values. So it would be 4. Okay. Should we do an unordered set? And then for each one, it's just going to be character. And then we're going to say vowels. I can't remember if we can do this, but... Right. That start and end with a vowel. So it doesn't matter if they're the same value or the same character. It's just that they're both vowels, right? So then we want a prefix sum. And the prefix sum is just going to be the same size as words.length or size. Right? And then we're just going to go through the words and we're going to pre-populate the prefix sum. Actually, it's this. Just make it more generic. Okay, so then we're going to go through each one and we're going to say if the first letter is a vowel, and so if words I, so if this character, or no, I'm sorry, not I. Oh, it's a string, my bad. So if this character is contained within vowels, right, and the last character okay, so oof. Cannot type today. Okay, so if the first character is a vowel and the last character which should be this value, right? Then we just want this to be running plus plus, and then we want to store this value in the prefix, running, right? Okay, so this should give us whatever this is. Okay. Then we want to go through queries. Wait. Vector. Do I even need... Oh yeah, so the output is going to be of size queries. Okay, so now if we have something that is 0 to 2, then we want, okay, we say if queries I 0 equals 0, then we don't need to subtract the previous values. We can just say result I is equal to the prefix sum of whatever queries 1 is. 1, right? This is I1. Yeah. So whatever the prefix sum is at this spot, if it's 0, it is the prefix sum. And so we can just do this. We don't need to subtract. Else, we can just say result I is equal the previous value. So in this case, we're going to go prefix sum queries. I can't spell. Queries I 0 minus 1. So we're going to take this value, which is the previous one. We're going to subtract this smaller value. So this is always going to be smaller. I don't know, I did it like this. And then we're going to have the prefix sum of queries I1. Yeah, so we subtract the previous value, we take the last sum, and we subtract the 2, the difference. And that's going to equal my result, I. And then we're going to return the result. And that should be it. Is this an indexing problem? Or a parenthesis problem? Find. Yeah. What did I do? Let's see. Vowels.find. Words I. Does not equal this. This is the first thing. Then we go vowels.find. Words I. And then words I dot length minus 1. Vowels dot end. Invalid operand. What did I do? This is what I did. prefix sum. Oh. Oof. And of course I can't spell. You're going to have to forgive me. This is looking bad. Results. Oh. Okay. All right. And looks like my solutions are correct. So just to sum up what I did, I used a set for vowels. That way I can just do constant time lookup for the vowels. Then I created a prefix sum of which ones were applicable to the vowels at the beginning and the end. I checked them and I created the prefix sum from them. And then I used the prefix sum in order to gather the results. Now let's submit. And there we go. That's the daily. Okay. That was January 1st. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Later.